Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, we got a treat for you. I know, it's a blue box. And I know if you guys are looking at it, you can kind of see what we're going to take a look at today. I know, huh? So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you about everything that came in that box. Alright, all you socially adjusted misfits out there, thanks so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. Man, I know it's going to be a weird one because we like doing things a little differently, but what you're going to do here in a moment is look right down here, alright? Little channel watermark's going to pop up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early. That way you get to hang around for the rest of the fun on this channel. Because trust me, we're doing some fun things, and I want you along for the ride. Alrighty guys, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Ontario Knife Company's Utilitac, I think I'm saying that right, II. And that's this big mamma jamma right here. Now, I got this guy in the August 2019 Budget Blade Box. Now, I know I'm not doing individual reviews on the Blade Box because, well, Jason over at Poor Man's Preparing sends them with your PMP prep box for that month. So if you're kind of curious to take a look at it when it was aired live, take a look right up top. You're going to find a card for every single PMP prep box this channel has ever taken a look at. You're going to see the live unboxing right there. Now, what really caught me on this guy, and oh yeah, I replaced the lanyard with the one that's here. I didn't like the one it came with stock, was the fact it's from a designer that I had never gotten anything from before, Joe Pardue. I thought that was kind of cool that I get a new blade and a new knife designer. So I'm like, all right. The fact that it is big and it looks like it can be a hell of a workhorse. I've been impressed with it when I've been carrying it for its weight. It really displaces the weight nicely in your pocket so it doesn't feel like your pocket's pulling to one side when it's in there. It's smooth, it's easy to open, and it feels great in your hand. The only thing that I thought was a little weird was, well, when it's closed, all right, I get that that would be a little hard to get into, so they put this indent down here to help with the, the flipping. But just right towards the front, it just feels a little weird, for me anyway, right here with this finger. It just feels like something's a little off, and I'm constantly wanting to readjust it. But that's just me. All right, let's start with the fun. It's got an overall length of 8 inches. The blade is 3.5. And closed, it's about 4.5 inches. It's got a hollow grind, plain edge, satin finish, which those of you who know my channel, you know I love a satin finish and a stone washed finish. Those are like my two favorite. Now, with looking it up online, they're calling this a clip point style. To me, that just looks like a massively aggressive Tonto style. Oops, sorry. Tonto style right there. But I'm sure someone's going to tell me down in the comments section how wrong I am, so I'm looking forward to that conversation. Now, the steel on it is AUS 8, A as in alpha, with a Rockwell rating of 56 to 58. Let's see, right there. AUS 8A, as you can see, made in Taiwan. Now, the scales are that Zytel material that, I'll be honest with you, I love the fact that they put the little checkerboard patterns in there. It makes it a little bit easier to grip. I don't feel like I'm sliding across like I did when I brought, what was it? The K-Bar Becker, I think it's the BK16 to the channel. And that's going to be up here in a card with every single gear review we have ever brought to the channel. So you might want to check that out to see exactly what I'm talking about, because when it was smooth, my fingers just wanted to slide right off and I had problems with a grip. It has a pretty good liner lock right there. I mean, it really snaps in there and holds it in place. Now, as you saw, it does have the dual thumb stud opening, and it has a massive multi-position pocket clip. You can either do it tip up, tip down, left-hand carry, right-hand carry, which I thought was really, really cool. And the lanyard hole at first I didn't think would take paracord with, the internal strands. Went through no problem. Okay. Here comes the fun part. And oh yeah, like I said earlier, just make sure I recovered it. Made in Taiwan. Let's do some cutting. heavy duty stock paper. Oops. Of course. Sorry, that's on me. Ah, yeah, I've been playing with it too much. Can you see the lifting on there? How it's kind of like pulling to one side and coming over here. See the paper flakes? Yeah, I've been playing with it a lot. Just but still pretty sharp. A little bit of stropping, it'll be back to, you know, factory fresh in no time. Alright, simple paracord. Pull test. Yeah. Just burned right through it. Alright, slice test. Yeah. We knew that was coming. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I swear, one of these days when I'm calling on my friend and I'm cutting him, I know I'm going to get sued for something. There we go. Okay. So that side really doesn't look too bad with flakes, even though there are some on there. And that side has some, so okay, no biggie. Like I said, a little bit of stropping should bring that right back to factory fresh. Okay, so this one was weird. I found it on Amazon, found it on OntarioKnife.com, and Blade HQ. Now on Blade HQ, it's $28.95. On OntarioKnife.com, it's $35.95, but it's listed as a Juliet Papa Tango -4 Sierra Tonto Sierra Papa. And that's basically JPT4S Tonto SP. Now over on Amazon, you can find this as Ontario 8916. But I'm not seeing any of those flippin' markings. Oh, wait, there we go. Wow, even that one's a little different. Okay. Sorry, I just caught that. Utilitac knives are exceptionally sharp. Okay, but over on Amazon, it was $26.22. Now, it's been reviewed 3 times on Blade HQ and got 3 out of 5 stars. Wasn't reviewed on Ontario Knife Company, and it was reviewed 161 times on Amazon for a 4.6 out of 5 star rating. I like it. It's fun to carry. It's been a workhorse. It's been a beast to play with. But here's the important part. We got 2 questions for you. Nice or F-bomb? Nice or F-bomb? I know, I forgot the patches again. I swear I'm going to bring those things back because they're just fun to play with. But with all that fun stuff being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. I also really want to know, have you ever used one of these? Have you gotten one of these? I honestly think this was a score in the Budget Blade Box. I really, truly do. The other item that came in that thing, I'm still playing with because it's basically a plastic blade. Yeah. So that'll be fun to review. But anywho, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much again for watching this video. Man, I hope I earned more of your time today, and I would love to have you along for the ride permanently. Now, if you first-timers didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, man, here's your second chance at redemption, and we do believe in that here on the channel. Look right down here. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the park, go ahead and destroy its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Ontario Knife Company's Utilitac II. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.